Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids class name blue color, green color, red color, black color, yellow color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. T-H-R-W 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. F-I-V-E 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6. And use green color. S-I-X 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Kids now draw 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. Kids now draw 10. T-E-N 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11. And use red color. The numbers of 11. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids now draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids now draw 15. The numbers of 15. And again use red color. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16. And use black color. Kids again use black color and draw 17. The numbers of 17. Kids now draw 18. The numbers of 18. And again use black color. Kids now draw 19. The numbers of 19. Kids last draw 20. The numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.